So to make that, first new project and add the video you want, select it, then you should just search for duplicate. Now duplicate it and now look for a button uh, overlay in toolbar. Now move it to the beginning of the timeline, move it down in layers, and now go to remove background and auto remove. So for the first layer, you go to filters and search for blur. So now you can see what will happen if you make the background get blurred. But it's not so special, so undo that. Now go for mask and horizontal mask, adjust, go to rotate tab, make it minus 90 degrees. And now you can duplicate it, look for the overlay button, and then again move it to the beginning of the layers in timeline. Now go to mask, horizontal, rotate tab, and now make this layer 90 degrees, not minus 90 degrees. So 90 degrees. Now we have this. As you can see, select the first one and now blur. Now we have this. We have two issues here. As you can see, our third layer is in the middle. So look for the button layers in toolbar. Click on it and make it number 2. So our layer is on top, as you can see. Now select the first layer, go to mask, and increase the feather to 20 so we can, if we want to make the line between in the middle of the screen disappear, and do the same thing in feather for the next layer. So that line disappeared, but I'm not happy with that, so I want to increase the feather to 40, and we will see what will happen then. I think this one could be better. I do that for the next layer. Go to mask, horizontal, and feather tab, and 40. All right. Yeah, that's better. I'm happy with this one now. But that's not so special still, so I want to make some changes. So here, export it, new project, and add the video that we just made. Put a keyframe in the beginning of the video and zoom it with twitching your fingers on the screen. After 3 seconds, around 3 seconds, you just move the screen so we can pan in the camera. As you can see, after 3 seconds, again we have some changes, so we have some movements in our video. This is optional, and this is in depends on your taste. So here I want to increase the scale and put the video in the center. So x-axis and y-axis, we put them on 0. So we have this. So still it's not so special. Now I want to export it. Again, new project. Add this video that we just made. Now go to mask, mirror. Okay, so at the beginning of the video, you just need a keyframe. So add keyframe and close it. Close the mask a little in the screen by twitching your fingers. After 3 seconds, you can twitch your fingers and open this mask and go to the end of the video. All right, here I think we can make it a little more special. So you should search in Google, search for the uh, distortion lines and something like this you can find and add it as an overlay in the video. But it's small, so I need to duplicate it in the project. So I put it in its place and then I go to blend or splice and move it to soft. That's good for now. And now duplicate it and move it in the timeline in the beginning of the video. Now you should move it in the screen so you can go to basic in toolbar and increase or decrease the y-axis and x-axis, so you can put it in its right place. So that's good for now, I think. I saw a line between two layers, so I changed its place and now the line just disappeared. So we have the thing, that you see here. But I think the distortion lines that I overlaid here are so dark, so I go to splice or blend option and decrease uh, the number of blend or the degrees or something like that, anything. So I decrease it and we have this. Now I'm happy with it. This is Saranvi channel where you will learn every detail about photo and video editing. So subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Leave me a comment so I could get what else you want me to make just for you. Like always, I wish you the best and peace together.